everyone, welcome back to my channel. I will be doing my August review for my planner. So it has been a while since I posted a video this month. I actually took just a temporary leave with as far as filming and stuff. So I did post my flip yesterday and it was just the one flip. I didn't get to do another flip because I just was busy with work. I signed up for a lot of shifts and I went on vacation, so I intended to put my time for those things, but I just wanted to show you guys how I did with my planner for the month of August as we are nearing the end of the month. So I am in my clear cover from 𝑑𝑳𝑨𝑵𝑵𝑬𝑹𝑺 Co, and I have my Lord of the Rings theme, which was absolutely just fantastic to have in my planner. I like flipping through my planner just to look at the artwork and all that stuff, and it makes me even a lot more excited for the upcoming show next month on Amazon Prime. So I just flip through a few things. I just didn't really change anything at all, and I actually don't intend to. I probably will be in a different cover for September, but as far as the guts of the planner, it's been pretty much the same. My monthly section worked out a lot again, and I think I will use this for September as well. I like the idea of having the highlighters instead of stickers this time to just mark off what is going on in my life. And then this part works out just to have like an overview of the events for the month. And then my weeklies, I stuck to one weeklies this month. Surprise, surprise. That hasn't really happened for me. I usually tend to switch weeklies in between, but I stuck with these Infinite Lotus week on one page. This is the current week right now. And then my dailies, still the variety. They have been proven useful for many things, and I just stuck with the highlighter / colored pen approach as far as planning my days. Just depends on what is going on and what I feel. It's pretty good. For the week that I went on vacation, I decided to use these Peanuts Planner Co. inserts, just the timed one. I believe these are the freebies, so it's timed on one column and then another column with lined section, so it just worked out really well. This is the beginning of our trip, so I still had to-dos obviously at the beginning because our flight wasn't until 4 p.m. But then looking through, so I just did like a rapid log of the things that we did, the expenses, and then here I actually used the timetable to just kind of write what we did like during those times. It's on Saturday, this was yesterday, Sunday, and this is today. So I have a lot of to do so far. I've been pretty productive since I woke up this morning, so it's proving to be good. And then these are the last 2 days for August. And those are my dailies. My future log. I did reprint my future log and kind of back planned or wrote everything down again because I wanted to have some sort of key with my highlighting. So I decided to use this key for myself to mark my work days, if I worked an extra shift, my therapy, and if those therapy days were reimbursed through my insurance, if I called out, and if I was canceled at work. So those are just like the little legends that I put in, and it's nice to have this overview per month to just kind of see where I'm at with like the therapy reimbursement stuff, and if the last time I got canceled at work, the last time that I worked an extra shift, and all that stuff. So that's that. And then everything is the same on here. My finance has been good. I have my bill tracker, which I also reprinted again because I did add a few things. I added my student loans again because it was supposed to start in September, but lo and behold, we are extending it to December again, and I actually might be eligible for the student loan forgiveness, which is probably one of the best things ever. It's nice to have just a little bit of the burden kind of, removed. But yeah, and then also added a few things, and I just marked the ones that are auto pay, and I kind of just highlighted the ones that I'm not paying for anymore, like credit cards that I paid off or things that I didn't start till later during the year and all that, just to make it a little neater. So that's that. And then moving on, everything's the same. My order tracker, Amazon stuff, payment plans, and that's my finance section. For my home section, I did take out a few things like my favorite lists and all that because I transferred them to my Notion app now. My Notion is still in progress, but I am 80% sure that I will be able to show you guys some bulk of it next month because it's close to being ready for, show and tell. But I am just using my own pace as far as setting it up. I'm not like rushing. There's days where I work on like one page and then I kind of, stop. And then there's one day where it's all I did all day is just to like set up my Notion. So it just depends on how I feel and how productive I feel when it comes to doing that. And it's nice because I'm not pressured to do any of it, at a certain time at a certain level. So yeah, so I'm just like doing that, but it is almost done. So my task manager stuff on my home sections, the same. Next is my health section. Just flipping through all these. My habit tracker and my mood tracker. I'm trying to minimize my Instagram consumption as far as looking at the new trends and what's going on in the planner community. Right now, I have noticed that everybody seems to be moving to TNs now. And I had a TN a long time ago, but not like the TN that is kind of trending right now. It's more of like a minimal vintage type looking things, and that's fine. But few people have asked me if I'm going to do that. I will be just sticking to my rings, sticking to the things I know, and that. So I think if I do switch to something else, like that involves money, time, and stuff, and I think as far as my priorities right now, money actually wants to be somewhere else, and even my time. So if nothing, is broken about my system, I'm not changing it, and that's how it feels right now. My planner is more on the functional side as far as me using it. I open it when I need to, sometimes when I want to, when I'm not really doing anything. But so far this month, since I have been putting my time to other things, that my planner is just my planner. So yeah, I'm flipping through my work section. Things are still the same, nothing new with that. And then my social media section, which I did not fill out for the month of August because I just posted the one video, my flip, and then this video, which are my routine flips or my routine videos. So I didn't do a lot of planning, which would be good because I will just use these inserts for September, which I will try to be more on social media at that point. So, yep, these are my sticky notes and all that. So, yeah, the system really hasn't changed. And I know that I've been saying that a lot in the past like few months, but honestly, like, why change something that's not broken? I just like to mix it up a little with my deco so that it's refreshed and it's a different thing to look at. But as far as like the things that I'm using, they're pretty much the same. So, and I don't have any problems with that. So yeah, this is pretty much my review. Review in one word or two words, the same. That is it for my system. So I just don't have anything, feel the need to change anything because it's working well for me. And I'm trying to kind of just transition into as far as like being a planner and not just changing it because of things that are going on in the community. Oh, I want to try that and all that stuff, which I think is fine. You know, that's, you don't have to change anything if you don't want to. And it's also nice to be inspired by a lot of people. So if you want to try things out, if you're still at that place where you're not really sure where you want to go with your planners, that's okay. But as far as I am concerned, I am just in that place where I don't feel the need to change a lot of things in my planner because of what other people are doing. So yep, I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, obviously, please post them in the comments below. I would love to chat. I still need to respond to the other comments that I have missed in the whole month. So I am so sorry about that, but I will try to be more active this time around and try to kind of balance like work and social media work and life this time. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. And of course, if you want to see more content from me, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.